Okay, find the value of the trig function indicated. So what they're doing here is they're not giving you information like the above problems where they tell you what the sides are, or they don't give you a shape, a triangle to look at, but they do give you enough information. So first of all, they tell us that we want to find tangent. So think TOA. So opposite over adjacent. But they also tell us this important information, which is this important information. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Secant is the reciprocal of that. So hypotenuse over adjacent. We now know the adjacent side. And we know the hypotenuse, which means this is C, this is A. So we can say C squared subtract A squared will give us B squared. So 5 squared subtract 3 squared is equal to the opposite side squared. So 25 subtract 9 is 16. And then just take the square root. 4 is equal to B, which is the opposite side. And you're done. All right. So now, well, this one's a piece of cake. Secant is the reciprocal. So on this one, you just say, oh, well, that's nice. Those two are reciprocals of each other. And on that one, you're done. So you're paying attention to the information they tell you. So we need to find cosecant. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosecant then is hypotenuse over opposite. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we right away, put 3 there. And then opposite is B, adjacent is A. So we can say A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. That's hypotenuse squared. So A is 4. 4 squared plus 3 squared gives us C squared. So we're doing the reverse of the other one. And this is a Pythagorean triple. So some of you may know that. So 25 is equal to C squared. So the hypotenuse is equal to 5. All right. And I'll make it another one. All right. That's it for this one.